Hello viewers, welcome to our first video of learning Python. So Python is fastest growing language in terms of the developers, libraries and applications and that it is used for. Okay, so it could be machine learning, artificial intelligence, web development or anything you will think of. Python has always got you covered. Now before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell for all the future released videos. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and start our first topic. What is Python? Okay, so Python is general purpose programming language which is high level language and easy to learn and dynamically initialized. And the developer of Python started out as a hobby for its creator Guido van Rossum, because he wanted to make a language which is beautiful to read, beautiful to look at and easy to read. To do that, he used indentation in place of curly brackets. Okay, so he used indentation in place of curly brackets to describe the piece of code. And the language was released in 1991, but at that time it didn't get success because it was slow as compared to other languages like C, C++ or Java. And now after some time, when the rise of machine learning, artificial intelligence comes into picture, then the Python programming comes up because it provides the work much more productive. And why is that? Because of the computing power that we have in Python. Now we want the work to be done in more productive way, so we use Python because it was slow but it has more computing power as compared to other programming languages. So that's all about what is Python. So we'll end this video here and continue with our next video. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.